I'm here with one of my patients who traveled across half the world to come to Deuk Spine Institute to fix his neck. He had 3 herniated discs in the neck, and we did the Deuk Laser Disc Repair procedure because he did not want to have a fusion. He didn't want metal in his neck. He didn't want artificial discs. He wanted the most natural, safest surgery that works the best for fixing disc injuries such as herniated discs in the neck. He had the Deuk Laser Disc Repair. We went in, we found lots of herniations in the back of the disc. We took them all out through a tiny little tube that's 4 millimeters. He is a doctor, by the way. Tell us a little bit about how you're feeling.
I feel quite great today, and I'm quite happy that I'm here. And once I arrived, I realized that I'm in safe hands. So first of all, thank you very much. I really appreciate what you did for me, and I look back with this live stream twice and I realized that you did a great job. It was unique and amazing and exactly matched my expectations. So really, thank you. It's a priceless job. Thank you, doctor.
Thank you, doctor. Well, you had the opportunity to have treatment done elsewhere. And I know you had, for example, the Disc FX procedure, which didn't work.
Yes, you are right.
And you had the opportunity to go to Turkey and have
prosthesis implant.
Why did you choose the Deuk Laser Disc Repair?
Doctor, from the beginning of my issue was started, I was thinking there must be another way of treating my problems minimally invasive. So I was searching hours and hours on the internet looking for the best place to do so. I came up with the procedures that you are doing, and I found that this is the one I'm looking for. And I worked hard to meet you, and it was a great thing to once I submitted my MRI and I found you coming online on the Zoom to meet me without any payments, to be honest, and you discussed all the issue, things that were not disclosed with me with other doctors. So I decided to come to here to fix it in this way, which is the magic way I would describe it.
And we've been showing the world for the last 11 years with our live stream online on a YouTube channel or a website. What's it like to practice medicine in Iraq? I've always wondered.
I'm currently a consultant dermatologist. I practice in a city which is called Suleimani. It's in the North Iraq Kurdistan region, practicing dermatology and also some aesthetic medicine as well. That's my nature of job.
I would love for you to say something to the viewers in your native tongue, something that you're comfortable saying.
I prefer to speak in Kurdish.
Of course, Kurdish would be great.
طبعا نام دكتور وزانة السليماني لكردستان العراق وهاتم بولاي دكتور ديوك كشي من المهبو طبعا براستي زورنا راحتي كردبهم ما ويكي زور بو طبعا چن رجاجي تريان بو باس كردم بنشتر قريكة بيكم بلام اوي دكتور ديوك براستي جواز بو كمان بو يقران چونك هيج جوره بوكو بلين اسنيك هيج جوره شتكنا كريتا ملتوا كوكو بلاتين وانا كريتا ملتوا تنها لرجاي ليزرو لرجاي كوني كيبچوكو يشكو بو اكن او بيني فقرانت ديسكا كانت شوانا هم يوبو تشاككنو ببي هشتكو طبعا سي فقرم تيك شوبو لبرو كبو تشاكو متولا ماوي ساعتوني كا يشكي بو كردم وامرو بشوار ساعات دواي يشكي زور باش. I said that just only 24 hours passed by the surgery and I'm quite feeling well, and I'm sure people doing the ACDF definitely they are not in this situation. Coming in front of a camera and speaking to people, definitely.
No, if you had a fusion, you would be in the hospital still with pain meds or narcotics, which you're taking no pain medication.
Nothing. I have no any pills. That's the magic and the surprise of the surgery, the other part of the surgery.
Well, doctor, it's an honor for me to take care of you. Thank you for choosing our company, and I appreciate it. Live well and live long.
Thank you. Same wishes for you.
Thank you.